these are some formulas for the sum of a sequence that people have managed to figure out over time. Now, these are not as important as they used to be because computers today are so powerful that they can do billions and billions of calculations in hundreds and thousands of a second. So it's not really a big of a factor as it was before when everyone had to do these calculations out by hand. And then, of course, if they are really actually trying to use it for something practical and not something theoretical, then they actually had to calculate. They had to actually add all of these numbers in a series together, which was probably annoying, especially if it didn't converge at some point. So these were useful ways of reducing a lot of that work, especially if you had to calculate k through 100 or something like that. Then that would take a long time. That's what students are for. That's probably what they were for back then, anyways. But anyways, these are just some simple formulas. Here's one for the summation of a constant. Obviously, if it's equal to a constant, then every single number in that series is going to be equal to that constant. So it'll be a constant times plus a constant plus a constant plus a constant. So it'll be a constant times however many in the series that there are. So that's an easy one. And the next one is pretty interesting. It's based on averaging. I guess I'll just do something separate because I mean, if I actually need to look these up, I don't want to waste all my time figuring out how to do it. Especially, I'll just make that separate. But anyways, here is if the sum is equal to just k going 1, 2, 3, then the sum of that series would be n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And k squared, 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6, and then the final one that is given in this book. I'm sure there are others that people have managed to figure out, but like I said, they are a lot less important now because don't need them to have a computer. K cubed, 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, n times n plus 1 over 2, whole thing squared. So those are just a few basic formulas. It's kind of interesting how people get these, and I don't believe, well, I think they're still working on some of them, but at the same time, it's just kind of pointless because really it's able to be done by a computer. So this is just more out of interest, and I don't even know why the hell I'd ever come back here, but it's there in case I ever do.